Hi, this is Krishna Merchant, and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets ended at an all-time high on Monday on back of continued foreign buying into the blue chip shares after GDP data for the June quarter was better than expected at 5.7%. This was the highest growth in over 2 years as the economy was coming out of the woods. The Sensex rallied almost 1% to close at 26,868, and the Nifty ended about the 8,000 psychological mark at 8,027. Foreign institutional investors have poured in around $13 billion into Indian equities so far this year. Blue chip stocks were among the top gainers. ICICI Bank and L&T advanced around 3%. Axis Bank and ONGC were up 2% and 1% respectively. Maruti Suzuki was up 5% after the sales growth for the month of August was good at around 27% year on year. Reliance Industries shares were up almost 1.5% following reports that it has announced plans of $13 billion worth investment in the energy projects. Jindal Steel and Power and Hindalco Industries, they were both up 6.6% and 4%. Today, the Supreme Court in the hearing, after listening to the petitioner and the government, said that the hearing would continue until September 9. There was no announcement regarding cancellation of blocks. Mid-cap straight-run banks were among the top gainers on back of also value buying. Some of the gainers were Canara Bank, Allahabad Bank, Syndicate Bank. They were all up around 4%. Andhra Bank also rallied around 7%. Bharti Airtel shares were up 2% following reports that it has signed an agreement with the U Mobile, which has around 2.7 million subscribers. Among the losers was IRB Infrastructure. The stock lost almost 1% after Citigroup downgraded the stock on valuation concerns. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.